What? What's wrong with him, bro? Why are you camera shy? Are you... Thug life.
I'm being long.
Sorry.
It's literally like this. No sound comes out. It's like first it's like, and then after a while it's just like. What are you doing? Are you recording it?
No, man.
You're very smart, man. Ooh, slow.